Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your reforestation service business. If you offer reforestation services, then manually responding to all the inquiries can be very difficult and time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will answer commonly asked questions and explain your services and packages to the user all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for reforestation service business. Before we begin the process of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. We have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So we are going to send a general message like, "Hello." And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Green Roots Reforestation Services. We help restore your land with expert-led tree planting. Would you like help with tree planting services and costs?" So here I'm going to choose option of services. And it has provided us with a brief of their services. Our reforestation services include land assessment, soil enrichment, native tree plantation, maintenance and monitoring. Would you like to see our packages? And then I'm going to choose the option of packages. And it has provided us with its packaging details. Starter plan 15,000 per acre, 100 native trees, basic maintenance. Next, Eco Boost plan, rupees 25,000 per acre, 200 trees, maintenance for 6 months. And so on. Would you like to speak with our expert now? So here I'm going to contact expert. And it has provided us with, contact our reforestation expert on this given email and call on this given number. We will be happy to guide you. And this is how I have created WhatsApp chatbot for reforestation service business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, we have to open a new browser tab first. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So we are going to give it a more relevant name like WhatsApp Chatbot for Reforestation Service Business. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which there is an option to enter keywords. This is used to enter some general keywords which are going to activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which are going to activate the chatbot with any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this regex will safely trigger on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here you can see there is an option to choose template. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to send a welcome message. Like this. Our message will look like this. Welcome to Green Roots Reforestation Services. Here you can see I have added star signs. This is going to make our message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make the message look more presentable and professional. We help restore your land with expert-led tree planting. Would you like help with tree planting services and costs? And here I'm going to add quick reply options such as services and packages. And if the user chooses to view services, here I'm going to send a description of our services. Our message will look like this to the user. Our reforestation services include land assessment, soil enrichment, native tree plantation, maintenance and monitoring. Would you like to see our packages? And here I'm going to add an option to view packages. So here I'm going to add a description of packages. I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Our packages, and these are the description of the packages. And lastly, I'm going to add, would you like to speak with an expert now? And here I'm going to add an option from which the user can contact us. So here I'm going to add contact expert. And here I'm going to add details to the user. Here I've added contact our reforestation expert on this email address or call on this number. We will be happy to guide you. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for reforestation service business. We have created this flow easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, accessing all of its features. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I have shown in this video. Now, once you're done creating your flow, you can save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.